Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon.
Okay, all reached only 25. So let them come in between. We can give the questions. Okay. 1 minute. This is our previous class question. Okay, children. So, question is, word problems. It is word problems. Subtraction. Word problems. Word problems. Continuation. Okay, word problems. First one. A piece of wire. A piece of wire. Piece of wire. 7 by 8 meter long. 7 by 8 meter long. Broke into 2 pieces. Broke into 2 pieces. 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? How long is the other piece? How long is the other piece? Okay. So, I will draw like this. So, you will understand it. Okay. One piece of wire was there. It is 7 by 8 meter long. And it was broken into 2 pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long.
And the other piece is
Other
6 by
piece.
4.
No. Shishuni, subtraction, denominators. Look at the denominators.
Nothing. Oh. I'm just guessing.
Okay. How will you find the answer, children? Look at here. When I draw this, you understood. Isn't it? How will you find the answer?
We have to subtract.
This longer piece is, full piece is by 8. And the small piece is 1 by 4. Yes,
1 by
yes.
4.
So,
7 by 8 from 1 by 4.
Okay. The length of the other piece. Length of the other piece. You can write length of the other piece equal to 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashishuni, don't subtract like this.
Okay.
Okay.
I got the answer.
Wait, we'll do it. Discuss. Let the others also do. We'll discuss later.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now we'll try 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. We have to find the LCM of 8 and 4. One factor is the one number is the factor of the other, right?
Yes.
So what is the LCM?
8.
8.
LCM is 8. So 7 by 8, no need of doing anything. But 1 by 4, we can convert it to 8.
1 by 4 into 2
into
Into 2.
2 by 8.
2 by 8.
Now we will subtract.
7 by
7 by 8 minus
minus
2 by 8
5 by 8.
equal to
Equal to 5 by 8.
5 by 8
5 by 8 meters.
meter. 5 by 8 meter. Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. And second question is, whose name shall I give? Anna. Anna. Okay. Anna. Anna's house. Anna's house is 9 by 10 kilometer. 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. From her school. From her school. She walked some distance. She walked some distance. Some distance. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Reach the school. How far did she walk? Did she walk? Okay, children, did you understand the question? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Anna's house, where is Anna? She there anywhere? Anna is there. Anna is eating something. Eh? No. Okay. Okay. So Anna, your house is 9 by 10 kilometer away from the school. Okay.
Okay.
So Anna's house. This is Anna's school. Okay. This is her house. So totally it is 9 by 10 kilometer away. What she did is, first of all, she walked some distance. She doesn't know it. Okay. She doesn't know how many kilometers walked. And she took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Sorry, not from here. Not from here. She walked some distance, we don't know, and from home, and took a bus for half kilometer for reach the school. So this is half kilometer. Okay, children, half kilometer.
Okay, ma'am.
So how will you find that?
First we have to
Yes?
subtract.
Subtract. 9 by 10 is the bigger one, and we have to subtract from that
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Okay. So the distance she walked. Distance she walked.
Ma'am, we have to draw this line.
If you draw like this, it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Then 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2.
Ma'am, I got them.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, yes. We'll do it now.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, yes. See, children, how will you do it?
And first we have to
Find the LCM of
LCM of
LCM of
10 and
10
2.
and 2.
Look at these
10 and
numbers. 2 into 5 is 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
So the LCM is
you
10.
do it.
LCM
If you have any doubt, you can do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't come to the conclusion always. If you have any doubt, you should do it and find out. So LCM is 10 itself.
10. So,
So
the first number we know.
9 by 10, no need of doing anything. But 1 by 2 we
2
can convert.
into
1
5
by
into
2
5.
up to 10. So into 5
into
into 5.
5 by
So
10.
5 by
10.
10. So 9 by
9 by
10
10
minus 5 by
5 by
10
10
equal to
equal to
4
4
by
by
10.
10
4 by 10.
kilometers. 4
Children,
by 10
4 by
kilometers.
10, shall we cancel one common number is there in 4 and 10, which is that common factor?
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
2. 2 the common factor. Divide. Always you write fraction in the lowest form. So it is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 kilometer.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
how many more word problems?
2 more. Yes, children. Shall I give the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Emil and Geediga. Okay. I will give their name. Emil and Geediga. This is the third question. Third one. Emil and Geediga. Emil and Geediga. Geediga have bookshelves. Bookshelves. Do you have bookshelves, Emil and Geediga?
Yes, ma'am.
Of the same size. Of the same size. Same size. Partly filled with books. No, not fully filled. Partly filled with books. Filled with books. Okay. Emil's shelf is Emil's shelf is 5 by 6th. 5 by 6th full. 5 by 6th full. And Geediga's shelf is 2 by 5th full. not fully filled, only one part. Whose bookshelf is more full. More full. By what fraction? By what fraction? Emil and Geetika have bookshelves of the same size, partly filled with books. Emil's shelf is 5/6 full and Geetika's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? Okay, children, look at the question. There is one question, which bookshelf is more full? What is that? More full.
Comparison.
Shelf is more full, less full.
Ma'am,
which person's shelf is more covered with
Which is greater? Which is greater? Which is lesser? So actually it is a comparison, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how to compare? We have to compare these two fractions.
Ma'am, first we have to check whether the denominators are
Are
same.
same, okay.
If
So
not, we have to make it
yes.
same.
So first of all, you have to compare these two fractions. One is 5/6 and other is 2/5. Will you compare it? When you make the denominator same, only you can find it whether which one is big and which is small. So
Ma'am,
compare it.
by
Yes.
LCM method, right?
Huh?
LCM method, right?
Look at the denominators. If they are same, you can compare it, and if they are different, you should find the LCM. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
It's bookshelf.
Ma'am, Emil's bookshelf is more.
Yes, wait. We'll find it. And the others also do.
Finished. Ma'am, I finished it.
Okay, shall we explain now?
Yes,
Children?
ma'am.
Yes,
Let me
ma'am.
see you all. You all did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Arjun, Krishna, Ismail, shall we do now? Hello, children.
Yes,
We have to
ma'am.
compare 5/6 and 2 by LCM equal to LCM of 6 and 5. How much? 30.
Ma'am, 30.
So 5/6 make it 30 into 5.
Into 5.
25/30.
30.
Okay. And 2/5.
Into 6. Into 6. Into 6.
into 6 and here also into 6. You will get 12 by
12 by 30.
So 25 by 30 is more.
Ma'am,
12 by 30 and 25. Yes, yes.
ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
Why, Mane?
Ma'am, it is only showing studio classroom 6.
Will
Has started
you
screen
leave
sharing.
and come back? Sometimes you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 25 by 30 is 5 by 6. Isn't it? 5 by 6. And 12 by 30 is 2 by 5. And whose shelf is this? 5 by 6. Emil's or Gidigas? So Emil's shelf is more full. How much more?
How much
How
more?
will you find how much more?
Subtract.
How much more? How will you find?
And we have to subtract.
Subtract. And you have to find out 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5. And you know this 5 by 6, we no need of doing again LCM. We found it earlier.
Yes,
Okay, that 5 by 6 is this fraction, 5 by 6 is this,
20 by 30.
25 by 30 and 2 by 5 is this. So no need of doing it again. 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30. And answer is
13 by 30.
13 by 30. No common factors in between. So this much more. Okay, dear children.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you did it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And next name. 2 persons. Whose name shall I give?
Ma'am.
Ashish I already took.
Ma'am.
Francis. Then one boy. Ismail. Francis and Ismail. Okay. Francis and Ismail. Okay, children. So going to erase it. And this is the last question. Okay. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth question. Francis takes, or Francis Richard. Francis takes 2 and 1 by 5. 2 and 1 by 5 minutes to walk. Minutes to walk. To walk across the school ground. Across the school ground. School ground. Ismail takes 7 by 4 minutes. 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time? Who takes less time? Less time. And by what fraction? And by what fraction? Okay, this is the question for you. Do it. It is comparison first. It is a comparison. So compare and then subtract. Comparison of fractions. Who takes less time? Always who takes more time, whose fraction is more, whose fraction is less. All this question comes, you have to compare the fraction.
Ma'am, any steps are there?
Yes?
Any steps?
Last previous question steps? No, only that much. Like that. Will you convert? You make necessary changes of the previous question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after getting the answer, should we convert it to mixed fraction?
Eh?
Ma'am, after getting the answer, should we convert it to mixed fraction?
Wait. Convert. You got the answer. Subtraction.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we need to convert it only if it's an if we get the answer an improper fraction, right?
Now you don't do it. If you want, you can convert it, or otherwise no need.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we get the answer, we have to write like this,
If you want, I will do it now. Okay. So Francis take 2 and 5, 1 by 5 minutes to walk. So first of all, you have to compare it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Compare this 2 and 1 by 5 and 7 by 4. So it is mixed fraction. So make it convert. So is it 11 by 5, children? 11 by 5?
Yes, ma'am.
And convert it. Convert. So 11 by 5. What is the LCM here?
20.
5 into 4, that is 20. So LCM of 5 and 4. If you are not confident, you can do it. Is 20. So 11 by 5, make it 20. As into 4 and into 4. So you will get 44 by 20.
44.
44 by 20
Yes. 7 by 4 into
into 5
Into 5 into 5.
35 by 20.
5 by 20.
And which is more here?
44 by 20.
By 20 is greater than 35 by 20. And this 44 by 20 came from 11 by 5.
11 by 5.
And 11 by 5 came from which fraction?
2 1 by
5.
2 and 1 by 5. That you have to write, because in our question, we know only that. For our easiness, we converted it. So is it correct now? 2 and 1 by 5 is more than 7 by 4. And how much more? So whose it is? Whose it is? Is it Francis?
Francis.
Who takes less time? First is that. Ismail. Ismail took less time. That is our question. Ismail took less time, not Francis. Francis took more and Ismail took less time. And how much more means you have to subtract 7 by 4? 2 and 1 by
That is
5
44 by 20.
minus 7 by 4. Here, no need of doing all this type. You can find that 44 by
20.
44 by 20. Don't interchange it, okay? Correct fraction. You have to write the correct fraction. And 44 by 20 and how much?
35 by 20.
35 by 20. 44 by
Oh,
20.
9 by
1
20.
minute, 1 minute. Let me find it. I want to see this. 1 minute, children. Is it correct? No? 1, 2 and 1 by 5 came as 11 by 5. 11 by 5 is 44 by 20. So 44 by 20, 11 by 5. Okay, correct. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 9 by 20.
9 by 20.
20 more.
Ma'am, so I took less time with 9 by 20 minutes less than Francis.
Okay. Ismail took
This is 9 by 20 more than a smile.
Ismail took 9 by 20 minutes time. Minutes less. Enough. This much enough. Okay, children. So this is our last question. Okay. So is it easy now? Fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are familiar with the fractions. And Tuesday we have test paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
2-3 minutes early? No problem. Let me wind up it. Okay, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. And Tuesday we have 2 periods, I think. So I'll start a new lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.